is my next session of REST API, right? In yesterday, we just talked about a little bit what REST API is, what is the benefit of it, where we use, right? And I had shown you some example of designing REST API, definition and all, right? I think this is clear to everybody. In this session, I'm going to just talk about other operation in the REST API. In order to understand the REST API, we have to understand little bit terminology used in it. So resource, what is resource? Resource is a conceptual entity which represent the data and map with unique URI. What is it? Every resource is mapped with unique URL pattern. That is called URI. What? URI. Got it? There are two things, URI and URL. We need to know. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator,
Locator.
Uniform Resource Identifier, right? URI is the superset of URL. Let me show you difference between URL and URI. If you open this website, right, this much javahungary.blogspot.com, this is called URL. If you append something, this has become URI. Got it? So who is
Yeah.
the super of it? URI. And URL
URL.
is the subset of URI. No, URI is the big thing. Altogether, it is called URI. Hello, which one is bigger?
URL.
URI. Total is called URI, and only this much is called URL. And all together is called URI. So URI is the superset and URL is subset of it.
So all
Got it?
total it's called URL.
URI, all together called URI. And only
Oh,
this
okay.
portion is called
URL.
URL, main domain name.
Okay.
But it's still, we if we run with the URL, it's gonna come automatically. You
No,
are
no,
right.
no, 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 no. It's not always. No,
Oh.
I'll show you. So, sir, as per the operation, right? This is one resource. Every method is called resource in REST APIs. This is one resource. It is mapped with unique URI. What is the definition of the resource? Resource is the conceptual entity which represents the data and map with some unique URL. Got it? So
You.
REST API has some principle that is called REST API design principle that you need to learn, right? First principle is you should identify the resource we have, and collection of resource, sorry, resource collection of resources called, no, group of resources called collections. I'm sorry, altogether. So here, this is which operation,
Get.
right? Here we are deleting the resource, right? So as per the REST API principle, you have to change the URL. It URL should be, my dear friend, signups, right? Hello. You want to delete the signup resource. Here you can use delete mapping. Pratna, are you following me? What?
Delete mapping.
I want to perform delete operation on signup. So if you want to delete this signup, I'm sending the data as a query parameter. Say yes. But
Yes.
as per the REST API design principle, in this situation, you should send data as a part of the URI. What I said?
Part
As a
of the
part of
URL.
the. So in the URI, you are sending your data and you have to use curly bracket, and here you can define the variable Pratna like this. And variable name could be anything. And in order to read the data from the URI, you can use which notation? Path
Request
variable.
parent.
Path variable. No. Request param we use when you read data from query parameter or form parameter. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Here, this variable name could be anything. Here, if you write Papa, then here you have to write Papa, whatever you want to write, right?
Again,
Any name.
what's the difference on the query you query parameter and the
Yeah.
URI?
In actually in URI, you will send your data like this. Suppose port number of your application is this is the IP of localhost means IP of it. Please, and port number is. Oh, can you see this?
Yeah.
And here you can type this URL pattern, right? And here you can pass the primary key of it. It means this data you are passing as a part of URI. Yes, you know. In
Okay.
query parameter, you know how you can pass it. You have to use question mark.
Question mark. Yeah.
You got the difference?
Yeah.
This is
Got it.
called passing data as a part of the URI, and this, sorry.
URI.
First one is called passing data as a part of query parameter, and second one is called passing data as a part of URI.
Path variable.
Passing data as a part of query string. right? And here, can you help me write it, please? I'm very weak to write. Passing data as a part of URI. Got it? Any question, query anybody has? This is the convention. Hello? You are saying, I want to delete a sign up. Which ID is this? It is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Like here, this message is not really meaningful. You have to actually send a proper message. So if you allow to me, what I can do is I can create another Pojo class. Pojo stand for plain old Java object. This is the class which contains normal attribute, private, and getter and setter. So for messaging purpose, what I'm going to write? Another class, message response. You can give any name to it. Hmm? Hello, everybody. In response, I want to send the JSON data. My JSON data should have code, private, string, hello, message. Are you with me?
Yes.
Two things. Why? I want to send a proper JSON data. I don't want to send string. Are you following me? Pratna and all, please try to understand, ask questions, right? Like here, I'm just returning message response, right? And here you have to make the object of message response. Please tell me if you're not following me. Because when you return message response, right, it will be converted into
Object.
JSON data. You are creating object, man, right now, right? Code is one, and message is, I don't want to return string. I want to return JSON data. Please, I'll show you as well, right? Your resource is deleted successfully. Can you help me? Done. And here you can return it. Return message
Message
response.
response.
Message response.
Yeah, actually, my computer becomes very slow. So here you can write message response. People, and it is crying because it is string. So you can convert it integer. You see my speed? Done. Hello,
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Where I did it? Huh? I did it in other file. I'm sleeping, but it seems like you guys are also sleeping.
Yeah, you're trading in.
Yeah, in wrong file, and nobody can say in here. No, no, no.
I, wa- I
I'm
was
not supposed to.
I was about to ask question because you create that file
No, no,
inside
no.
you save
I'm
your
not supposed
sign.
to. I'm not supposed to update wire. I need to only update wire. My job is done. All right. All right. You see? Done. Hello.
What about that Pojo class? You can create it anywhere, or you have to
Yeah,
create
yeah.
it
Anywhere you can
inside the
create.
just.
This is in the project, man. In the project, you can create anywhere, right?
Okay.
So you want to update your image as well, right? Like here, if you want to update your image, see the URL patterns. Signups.
Slash.
Hello. Here you can use
Put
patch
my
mapping because you are just updating
okay.
only one
Partial.
attribute. Signups, you want to update the signups image, right? So you want to pass two parameter. Like here, this two parameter, new image, you can pass as a part of the URI. Allow me. Hello. This is my first parameter, which I'm passing as a part of the URI. Got it? And this is my second parameter, which I want to pass as a part of the URI. Is clear or you got confused? And here we have to use, say yes, you got it or not? Hmm.
So
Just a second. This is the URL, right? So let's pass, if you pass in the URI, it will not work, right, properly. So in that case, this you can pass as a part of request body, or you can pass as a request param. Let's make it request param, no problem. Why? Because image URL is big or not? Very big, man, right? Hello, this is very big.
yes.
That's why I'm sending as a request param. Let's do that. Okay, done. So here you can, create the message. Allow me. What message? Please reply. Done. Hmm? It's clear or you got confused?
So
Instead of
you use put mapping.
Here I'm updating only one attribute, right, of it. That's why I'm using patch mapping.
Instead of
In
Clear?
using
what
this,
scenario we use boot mapping?
Yes, sir. I will teach you. I'm teaching you. Okay. Hello.
yeah,
Let me
instead of
show
using
you.
this
Let
set,
me.
quick question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Instead of using this set code, one we could have used status code, right?
Yeah. Status code would be automatically set by the REST API. Status code here you can set using this annotation.
Okay.
HTTP status. That will go into the right
Response.
response
Index.
header. Status. I don't know. I forget it. Response status. How I can forget it? This one. Can you see this? Here you can set the code.
Okay.
I'm just checking it because I'm not able to find. Like here, for update, you can use 200. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You got it? I'm
Yes.
setting here in this will go inside the response body. This will go inside the response header,
Header.
Header.
right? Yeah.
Okay.
So status code matters in the response. So you should always send proper status code. I will tell you. Okay means 200. 200 means
Good.
good. And when you are creating it, it should be
201.
201.
201. Normally we use 200 and 201. Remember it. So 201 I'm going to use for post because in post
Sign up.
mapping you create it, right? Sign up. So here I'm going to use what man?
Sign up. Created.
Created. Got it? So this kind
Yes.
of questions are asked in the interview. Tell me what is the meaning of 400 series, 400, 401, 402, 405, 406, 409, 415. I mugged it. Clear? You have to say yes, clear.
Yes.
So
Clear.
the here we have to make signups. Post means creating the data, right? Here we cannot
Yes.
use model attribute. Model attribute is only for
Yes.
MBC, GSP, right? Here you
So
have to
request
use
body
request body, because in
is sending data.
request body means your data is coming in the request body and you want to read data from there and want to map into Java object, right? So request body we use in REST API. Say yes.
Yes.
Request body we use inside REST
Rest
API
API.
or REST API to read JSON
Body.
data from request
Body.
incoming request body, right? And map with Java object. Who does this job? Jackson Mapper.
Jackson map.
Jackson Mapper is one of the framework which convert your JSON data into Java object and vice versa. Okay. Hello. After saving it, right? You have to return the response again.
Yes.
Like here, Java says don't write same code again and again, otherwise I will kill you. Oh my God. So what I can do, can I write a private method? You want to see my style?
Yes, sir.
Here, I want to write a method like create message. You see my style, right?
Okay.
Practice makes man perfect. So what you can do is here you can, define a variable. You see my style, string message. You understand what I'm trying to say? I want to reuse the code, okay? So copy everything, copy this much right here. And this message, you know what I'm doing, right? I'm just writing a common method. And this method, then I can call over here. Say yes. Yep. And here you can pass this message in the parameter. So your code is becomes compact or not? Hello.
Yeah.
You write once and use everywhere. This is called dry principle. Which principle?
Dry
Try
principle.
principle.
Dry, not dry. Dry means do not repeat yourself. Don't repeat yourself. Got it? Dry. Changing. Clear? So you can pass the message. I hope you see I'm able to reduce my code drastically. Hmm?
Yeah.
Here, what you need to do is I have to write what, sir? Your record resource is created successfully, right?
Yeah.
You have signed up. Please help me successfully. Makes sense? Are you confused? I'm
Good.
saying makes sense. Good, right? Post in this, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new resource, right? That's why I created. Somebody was talking about put. Am I right? What operation we
Yeah.
have done? Put will do in last. We have done delete. We have done update
That's
image. We have done sign up. This is get, right? If you want to fetch a particular record, what I said? Only
particular
one
record.
record. So yesterday I did it, right? This is bad practice. As per the good practice, Mr. Dear, here you use this one, right? Same, everything same, right? But here you want to what, man? Find one profile. Got it? Single.
Okay.
Apply. It is for multiple, right? For single, you can pass the profile ID, SID as a part of the URI. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello. And read this parameter here as a path variable.
Path variable into one.
Integer SID. Oh,
Yes,
nice.
sir.
See, UL pattern are same, right? They are differing in terms of only URI,
Pattern.
right?
You are right.
Yes. If you pass only signups, it will show everything. If you pass SID as a part of the URI, it will only give you single
Particular.
record,
One particular record.
particular record. That is one sign up. I know speed is little bit faster, but you understand, right? Done.
Yes, sir.
Cool. DAO layer, service layer is not going to be intact as it is. And here you can return only one record. Done. So I have done single gate. I have done multiple. Similarly, we have to do searching, filtering, right? I'm not doing it today. Okay. I will do it tomorrow. Let me do post as well. Put, right? Somebody was crying, right? Put. For put, everything would be as it is. Only you have to write here
Wood.
Good.
put mapping, right? And here input would be same. Got it? Update,
Mm-hmm.
sign up. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. UL pattern is same, only method is changed. So it is going to be update. You have updated data successfully. Next, instead of say what we
So
have to write, sir? Here,
update.
this this is for update and this is for creating new record. Everything is same. Only method is different, right? See? And model in REST API, we don't need model anywhere. Excuse me. Model is only applicable for when you
MVC.
have MBC, when you have presentation layer. So now we don't have presentation layer anywhere. Model is saying, excuse me, because this method is going to return only raw data. It's not going to send anything to the view. And model is used to send data from controller to view. Done. So here we have to make an update method. Yes or no? So let's go to here. I'm going to make my update method. Allow me. Method name is
Update.
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 And everything would be same and just
Okay.
add into service layer. You see my speed. Done. After that, you copy everything as it is. Here you have to make update method. So in order to do it right, I'm going inside. Just shortcut I'm using, right?
Yeah.
Which method we have to make? Update.
Update.
And here your query will be changed. What, man? Date,
Into.
Update.
sign up, right? Here you have to write set username equals to question mark, right? Password equals
Password
to
equals to question mark.
question mark. Email equals to question mark. Mobile equals to question mark. Email equals to question mark. Gender equals to question mark, right? And email equals to
Question mark.
question mark. Where? SID equals to question mark, right?
Yeah.
Done. This query is ready, okay? And delete it. Hello? My
So
query is ready.
So put mapping, for the put mapping, in order to update the whole body, we use put.
Yeah, whole
And
body,
here,
username, password, everything I'm updating, whereas ID is this.
okay. And
To
if we
update
have to do the
everything,
particular,
you can
we
use
have to use the
patch.
patch. Okay, got it.
I got to. Like here, this is your query, and you can set your data in this order. First one is username, second
Username,
one is password, third one is
password,
email,
email,
fourth one is mobile,
mobile,
fifth one is image, sixth one is gender, address, and last it is get
ID.
SID. That's it. And after that, this method you can also add in your
Interface.
interface. You know it, right? Boo.
Yeah.
So I'm able to do everything, right? And here, update it, and this you can call inside your REST
Services.
API.
Controller.
And in case of put, you have to use OK. Done.
Great.
I'm able to do all the operation, right? Now I have to test it from the postman. So let me do a quick recap.
Okay.
This will URL pattern is it, when you design the REST API, right? All the URL pattern normally we start with same signups, right? You see,
Only
but when
like
I'm saying I want to delete the sign up resource, which ID I'm sending as a part of the URI, you know it, right? If you're sending some data as a part of the URI, you can use curly bracket open and close, variable name, right? This name could be anything, right? Papa, then Papa, right? This name and this name could be different. Here you want to write
URL. URI.
any name you can take it. Like you want to write dog, right? Nobody like it. So dog, and here you want to use ID. So you can use this syntax, okay? Yes. Fine. You are saying whatever data is replaced by dog, read it and map to this. Got it? But if you keep everywhere same, no need to use it then. Mhm.
Make it
Yeah.
simple stuff.
Yeah, this is applicable in Angular everywhere, this kind of syntax. Please be ready. This is for only updating the image. That's why I'm using patch. Mhm. Yep.
A quick
This is
quick
for
question.
big question. Q. Sure.
Not regarding this, but what is the right way to start? Like if I want to create new project from the scratch, right? What is the right process to create from
Yeah,
controller
I would,
to DAO or DAO to controller?
I would like to go with the DAO, then service, then come to the REST API.
Okay.
So here, post mapping, right? So can we test it? Everything from the postman? Yeah.
Yeah.
In order to test it, either you can develop some Angular application, but you cannot do it. Why? Because we don't know anything. Reason is, don't know anything, right?
We learn from the right.
Yeah, we'll learn soon, then we can use it. Same project I'm going to use it, okay? So in order to mimic it, test it, what we can use? Postman. Let's do that, okay? So Postman, you can install it. How, sir? You Google it and here you can type what?
Postman.
Postman download desktop. Fine. Install it. Click, 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 click. You are able to install it like this. You got it or you got confused, people? Like here, now, first of all, you want to fetch your data, right? Say yes. For fetching
Yeah,
data, what do you want to use?
I know.
I'll kill you. First of all, you run your project, okay? Not replying. You know how to run it?
Yeah.
Go to main file. Main file, Spring Boot, it is annotated with Spring Boot application. In main method, run via. It is running on which port number? 8080. So in Postman, what you have to type? Help me. Localhost
Localhost,
Localhost.
colon, you see my style 8080, right? And here you can choose a method of your choice. I want to use get method. And after that,
version
signups.
V2. No, we need to give
That's
version
it.
as well.
You forget about other thing, right? Only this thing, get and URL, and click on it.
Okay.
So it will bring you, all the data for you. Like
No.
here, when you do sign up, actually, this is calling your GSP. See, GSP is coming. Yes,
Yeah.
Hello. GSP data is going, man. But we have to use REST API. And for REST API
V2, V2.
accessing, yeah,
We need to
right.
give version V2.
It is returning GSP response. V2, if you give V2, right, it should give you JSON data. Yes? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You see JSON data.
Wow.
This much data we have in our database, right? So
Yes.
can we try with post? If you want to try with
Yes.
post, copy this data as it is, right? JSON data you
Jason.
copied, and here you
Yeah.
just replace get with post. This is clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Copy this and replace this
Body,
get with post and go to the body. This is
Body.
your go in the
raw
body
data.
and click on the raw,
Raw.
and
Jason.
automatically JSON will be selected over here, right? And here you can paste your JSON data. Can you see this? And
Yes, sir.
here ID will be auto generated. And let me fill some name. JSON data I'm sending. You see my style? Yeah.
Yes.
Username is like Ashish and password is I will kill you. Fine. And username is
Assist.
Ashish. And mobile is you can change it. Okay. Mail and address is India.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
Yeah. And image same. You got my idea? So
Yes,
when you
sir.
send this data, right, it will go to your REST API. Which method? Sign up post.
Sign ups.
And first of all the data will be accommodated in it. Why? Because this data is generated by this D2 only. So all the attribute which we have. Can you see this?
Yes,
All,
it will be
all
populated.
yeah, it is populated because it is matching with the key. So click on it, right? Like here I want to debug it. Debug means I want to show you line by line. So in order to debug it, sir, you have to put a debug point. How?
Pointer.
Double click over here. So I'm just stopping my application, and after that I need to go into my REST controller. Allow me.
Yes, sir.
And here in created, yeah, I can put this annotation, right? And then you can run your application in debug mode. How? Right click,
And click debug.
debugger,
Run debugger.
Java application. So benefit is when you click your postman, your control will be passed to the REST controller so that you can see what happening behind the scene. Click on it. Your Eclipse is started to blink. No, it's not working. I don't know. We need to check it. Spelling mistake or what? No, it's saying refused. How dare he? Why? No, it is. I think it is just started. Port number 80. It just started. Now try. No, it's not working. We have to figure out spelling. Signups. And what we have given here? Sign up. Spelling is okay, right? V2 is okay. What's wrong with this? I'm again running it. Okay. Like here, maybe my computer is slow or whatever. You put it here. Actually, it's become slow, right? So what I did, why this problem was coming? My computer is slow. So what I did, I just skip the breakpoint. Skip means disable. You see? Now enable it. Once my server started, what I did,
Enable
yeah,
it.
I just enabled it. Now I can hit my request. Everything was okay. Only my server is not able to start because of the memory issue or what. Will it? You know what problem? I understand the problem. Can you see this?
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
I'm having many things all together on this machine. That's why it's become slow. Now see, I'm able to receive my data or not. Can you see this? Uh,
Yes.
this data is traveling in JSON format. But when it's reached to the REST API, it is converted into Java object. You see? Only ID is not coming because it is auto-generated. You got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
when you click on this resume button, it will execute and it will show you the JSON message. Oh yeah. It is taking time, right? So I'm just disabling my debugging. Can you see the response, sir? Code 1. A.
Yeah.
This is you are sending in the response. You see here. You have signed up successfully. Mhm. This is your response body, and you see status 201 is coming. Who set it? B.
Created. It's
B
response.
set it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, response
So
status.
you can set status code of your choice. My job is done. So if you really you do trust on me or not, right? You click on the get button. Can you see the get in the history? Get
Yeah.
Yes.
and click on it. All the data will come again. And here you can see one extra record, Ashish, which you have just sent it, right? You want to
Wow.
create one more record? Again, click on this history and go to the body and change the value. Here I just want to make Amisha and password email is Amisha, right? I don't know you guys are following me or not. This
Yes,
is
sir.
testing this with Postman, and you have to do practice, okay? And we'll help you. And done. This is created. Again, go and click on the get call. You know everything. You can save it. I'll tell you how to. I'll teach you how to use Postman. Done. Now you want to delete the particular record. Whom you want to delete? Somebody is saying I hate these three. You want to delete it? So here you can use which method?
Delete.
Delete. And as per the REST API design, you see in delete what you did. You are sending
Path
what?
variable. Uh,
You are sending the ID as a part of the URI. So after this, you can write three because you want to delete this one. Got it? So in body, I'm not sending anything, right? No. Only delete. Hello. It is idempotent, right? You click, doesn't matter, right? 10 times. But now if you face the data, it won't become. Yes or no? Hello. You click on the get method. Now this three data will not come. So let's try.
Yeah.
Click on it. Like it's gone, right? You want to delete 7 as well? Yeah, 7 is also gone. So
can I
if you
do that?
fetch it, yeah, you can do anything, man. Now we have 3 record only. So
So
what
once we
operation?
delete, so once we delete over there, can we bring it back again?
No, man. It is
Oh,
deleted from database, right? You
yeah.
want to say you kill me and again make me alive. Is possible? No, man.
Oh,
If data is deleted from database, it's dead. It's deleted permanently. You know it.
yeah.
So which operation we are able to do it? Delete, done. Create, sorry, create,
Delete
done.
put post.
Yeah, you want to do put? Let's do
Path.
put, right? Patch, very
Yeah.
naughty boy. Let's delete the patch. For patch, you have to pass SID. So which data you want to update? Tell me.
19.
19. So here you have to use patch,
Patch.
and everything is same, right? And
Party.
what you have to pass? You have to pass
Param.
request param. See,
Param.
SID
Yes.
and new image. So you have to go to the param. You see param,
Yes,
and
sir.
here you choose it, and here
SID.
you can pass key SID, new image. In new image, you can pass the URL, right? This one. Mhm. And you can pass SID as well. Say yes, like
Yes,
that.
sir.
SID is 19. Like here, your data is HTTPS in last Facebook password change.jpg. Now it is going to replace with this photo.
Oh.
Done? No,
Uh,
method is not allowed. It's saying because I'm giving wrong URL. Your URL is sign up slash image. You forget it?
yes.
Oh, yes.
Now it should work. Now it should work. Can you see this? If you fetch it, right? Record for 19 image is updated. So you can fetch the record of 19. How many? Get. You can use get. Can you see this?
Get and
And
request
here you
param in
can
path
type
variable.
here use get and here you can pass 19.
19.
Like this is updated.
Wow.
So patch, I have tested patch. Let's test put. Put is similar to
Post.
post, right? Access the post in body, right? Like everything will be same. Only you have to
Put.
use put. But here mandatory is you have to pass one extra parameter that is SID.
SID.
Oh man, without primary key you cannot update it, right?
Yes, sir.
So SID is I don't know. Let me. I don't remember the. You have to
19.
fetch that.
Go to get
19 to
19.
answer. You
20.
can
Yeah,
do it
yeah.
from there.
So get the SID. I want to do 19. Okay, and comma. I want to make it Mona, right? And password is this one and Mona at the rate. I'm just changing it, right? Female.
Female.
Okay.
Param.
Oh, anything to write, right? back. Yeah, okay. Anything you can write doesn't matter. And here you click on it, right? 90 uh, my query
It's
may be
an
wrong. Okay, read it.
internal server.
Bad SQL grammar. It's saying your query is. Can you see my style? Update. You guys are sleeping. See the spelling?
UPDAT.
Yeah.
Only God can save this kind of people. First time we are testing it. Go to update. You see my style of moving?
Yeah.
Update. And here you can write. Nobody was watching it, right? Update. After it, again try. Okay, update it. You can fetch it, right? Get. Hello. You can pay this particular record, right? 19 I make Mona, Tona, I don't know. Fetch it. See? Wow. Done. And I make it D-mail. We have to make it female. What we can do, again, we can use put and go to the body, right? So what we can do here, we can make female. Hmm? Hello,
Hello.
people. Yeah, update it. Now it is done and you can get it. So you have to also do practice the way I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
I think this is enough for today. And please go and do this much. If you're not able to do it tomorrow, you can sit with me and I can help you for that. So thank you so much.
Okay.
In next session, we will learn exception handling and a little bit. I'll give you the idea about Swagger. And after that, immediately we can start Angular, right? Then we can start project. That's my plan. Thank you.